Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. Today, we've been asked, how can I regain parental rights that I lost? I read that specifically because that's how the question is worded from our viewing audience. Well, to be frank, I don't know what it means to describe rights that have been lost. If you mean by that a motion was filed and the court entered an order suspending your rights until further order of the court, then you can regain them. My guess would be that they were suspended because of some condition that existed. You were put in jail. You lost your driver's license because you're drunk. You were addicted to drugs, whatever. If you can show the court that the condition that caused you to have your rights suspended has resolved, you have taken care of it, you have paid your debt to society, you are involved in AA and you are committed to sobriety, whatever that condition was, then a motion can be filed to lift the suspension and resume your parental rights. The court might do it in baby steps. The court might first, for example, depending on how long the hiatus has been, the court might say you got to Zoom with your kid for a while, you got to FaceTime with your kid, or maybe have some supervised parenting time in the beginning, a little bit more, until it's non-supervised, and then more time to get you back to where you were before. The court tends to move in little baby steps with respect to these parental rights and these kids. However, if this question means that there's been an adjudication and your parental rights have been terminated, if that's the situation, you're not likely to ever get them back. You, of course, might well have had the right to appeal, but assuming those days have passed and the time to do that has passed, and now you lost your rights, it's been 3 or 4 years, and now you're thinking, I ought to take steps to get those rights back. You're done. You're not going to be able to get them back. What can you do? Well, this kid's not going to be a minor forever. When this kid becomes an adult, you can obviously reapproach the child, say, look, I'm actually your mom. I went through a bad patch and I lost my rights, but I do want to have a relationship with you. That was the first 18 years. You're going to live another 100 years. Let's have a relationship. And you might be able to establish that voluntarily. But in terms of filing appropriate motions to do these things, right now, while you're a minor, while the child's a minor, if you lost your rights, you're not likely to be able to get them back once there's an adjudication terminating them. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.